Welcome to my channel At Home with Carla. This is where I share my almost daily life with my friends, family, pets, some DIY projects, cooking, and fishing and camping if weather permitted. So let's get started. Thanks for watching. Well, today started out with being a lot of clouds and a cloudy day. We had a grandson today though. So cute. He helped out in the yard. And we stopped over at McDonald's and got a little bite to eat. And these clouds did pack a lot of rain in them. On the way home, we ended up getting soaked. Not us, but in the car. We had a good chuckle. He fell asleep with his hand in the McDonald's box. That was really funny and cute all at the same time. Our son-in-law Kyle is doing some seeding, getting ready for gardening, and they're coming up pretty good. I'm not sure what he all has, but it's growing now. Elijah fell asleep on his mommy. We always enjoy the country views when bringing our grandkids back home, and the cows here are from a neighbor that rents the land from the landlord that lives up on the hill there. And this is the long driveway that Austin has to walk on to catch the bus in the morning, but he gets used to it. But I love it out here. It always is a relaxing time. There's still some snow left down here by the river. It's kind of neat. There's the river. I think it might be the Eau Claire River. It's really foggy. So the air must be warmer than the water, right? Yeah. Kim is getting a rock for our aquarium. There's a couple really neat ones in there. So I've been trying to clear off the table. It was sky high full of stuff, and I've been working on a project this morning. This IKEA cabinet, I cleaned it all out. It was pretty disastrous, but I have all of the storage containers in one place, all of the bowls, my mixer, and my onion chopper in one place. And then I did take out some appliances that I just don't use. They just sit in here and take up space, like my smoothie mixer. I can store it somewhere else if I ever decide to go make a smoothie again. So I put my food processor here. I have a small crock pot that I just love. It's just a really cute, adorable little thing. Evidently Ringer likes it too. You know, just some things that I use more. Anyway, I got the bread pans down here and glassware that I use. I do like to make bread, banana bread once in a while. And up here is the batteries. This is what got me started in the first place, is because my husband couldn't find the battery charger for our remotes for the TV and the mouse for the computer. So that got me started. But anyway, here's our strainers. And then I got a little food shelf. I'm probably going to leave that. And then there's a pot down there. But the stuff in the door here I'm probably going to get rid of, because I just like to go downstairs on our food shelves and look for food there. And I cleaned out the refrigerator. I found these little things for storage. So I got two of those. And one I put meat in, the other is just a hodgepodge of some cheeses, salsa, stuff like that. But anyway, I just thought I'd show you. No big deal. But just trying to be an organized person. My husband went out late last night to get me some bananas, so I'm going to make myself a little brunch of oranges and bananas. And I just received a weather warning on my phone that we're supposed to get a bunch of snow. And what is it today? April 10th. And I can't believe it. We're supposed to get like 6 7-8 inches of snow tonight, so I hope it isn't too bad because my daughter is going to come over and help me clean and organize, so we'll see how that goes. Here's an update on my geranium. It's in bloom. I can't believe it. I will never, oh, and here's the other one. I'll never let them freeze out again in the fall. And these two plants have survived in my house all winter and in bloom. So I'm really happy about that. I just love them. And yeah, I think I'll just buy geraniums every year and just bring them in the fall, and I'll have flowers for next year. Mama! Oh, that's nice. Okay, boys, time to sit. You want some? All right, time to sit then. Oh, that was good. Can you sit, Boo Boo? You sit? Good boy. All right, here you go. Here. Okay, enjoy. Our two boy cats here are getting up in age, 18, 19 years old already. The best little boys. They're indoor-outdoor cats, mostly indoor in the winter. They just go out for a couple minutes and then they run back in, but I feel blessed having them. I'll end here for today, but thanks for watching. I hope if you liked, you'll subscribe. And the quote of the day is, snuggle up and watch it snow. Be safe.